Welcome to USD 264 Tech Tutorials. By the end of this video, you will be able to utilize keypad shortcuts to save time and reduce visibility issues. In the initial needs survey of USD 264, the most popular request was issues with visibility and shortcuts inside of PowerTeacher Pro. While PowerTeacher Pro has not completely eliminated some of the usability issues, they have made changes recently that do make it a little easier to use. But these are some shortcuts you can do or some visibility issues that might resolve some of your problems. The biggest problem results when you're looking at your entire gradebook, which is called the score sheet inside of a course. Horizontally, you don't see all of the scores for that particular course. Also, vertically, you don't see all of the students in that course. There are some features inside the gradebook, like this little right arrow, where if you click, it will allow you to move page by page throughout the assignments. I know that's not incredibly useful if you want to see all the grades. So if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll notice that there are a columns per page option. The default is 7. You can change that to whatever you'd like. So let's say, for example, we want it to be 20. If you just press enter after you change, it won't necessarily increase the amount of columns you can see, but it will allow you or give you then a scroll bar across the bottom that then you can move left to right to see those assignments. Vertically, the only way to be able to see more of your students is by actually decreasing or zooming out on your internet browser. So the keypad shortcut for that, if you'll press the Control button and then the subtraction or minus button at the same time. Notice in the top right-hand corner of my browser, we're now at 90. If I do it again, 80. If I do it again, 75. Now at this point, I have all 14 of the students visible in the course, and the numbers are still relatively readable. The problem, of course, is for those of you who have larger groups of students, for example, if I switch courses to B2, this course has 20 students in it. So I currently only see 15. If I want to try to see more of the students on the same page, I again, Control minus, I still don't have all of them. One more time, gets me to a 50% screen where I finally see all of my students. At this point, the screen is not incredibly readable. So you'll have to find what sort of screen zoom is comfortable for you if you wish to see a larger picture for all your students. To increase the zoom, if you press the Control plus button at the same time, you'll see that it will resume 75, 80, 90, and then the default. Also, you noticed when that button popped up that there is a reset to default option, which will take you immediately back to 100%. So the visibility issues inside of PowerTeacher Pro aren't incredibly fixed at this point, but there are some options, including zoom in, zoom out, or increasing the number of columns that you see in your gradebook. Thank you for visiting USD 264 Tech Tutorials. If you have any questions about the instruction you just saw or suggestions for improvement or further videos to be added to the site, please visit the contacts link in the top right-hand corner of the website. We look forward to hearing from you.